How to remove link previews in Discord. So for example, if you want to send your friends a video from YouTube, you want to send them this music, I'll copy and paste the link and I'll send it to Discord. But in Discord, when you send a link, it'll automatically embed the video in the thumbnail as well onto your messages. This is called the link preview. If you want to remove it, after you send the message, you can just press this X right here, and this will remove all embeds on this message for everyone. Let's click on remove all embeds. There's also another way you can do this. You paste the link, and then at the end and at the start of the link, you put these little arrows. You surround it, and then when you press enter, it won't embed the link. But this can be a little cumbersome, so there is a better way. You press on the user setting, the gear icon, and then you scroll down onto chat. And then you'll see this settings right here, embeds and link previews. Let's just turn that off. And now, if you see, if I just send a message, it won't embed it anymore. And so that is how you hide link previews in Discord. It's as easy as that.